Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian 10 dance champions in youth group. I encourage you to watch these videos and have new ideas for your standard and Latin dances for waltz, tango, quick-step, cha-cha-cha, rumba and jive. You will get also important technical tips for modern trends in these classical figures. Let's have fun and dance figures in interesting way. And we start with waltz routine number 4, running wave from promenade position, then telemark and running cross chasse. 1 and 2, 3. This is beginning of wave, running wave from promenade position, and the question is, where is direction of movement? Will Eliza go here straight in same line and then go to left slightly, or in beginning slightly also to right? No, Eliza said I go straight and then slightly to left, and my reference point is Edgar's right leg. Okay, then we will do from promenade position running weave, which ends with side cross, then close telemark and running cross chasse from outside position to promenade position. So this is preparation, running weave from promenade position with side cross ending, close telemark, and running cross from outside to promenade position. And let's do again with teaching count. Four, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now routine in slow motion. 4, 5, 6 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good, and now let's do it to music. What would you do differently if you would dance yourself this routine? So one thing is, when we dance running cross chasse, is good if we change positions. So if we don't change, we start outside and finish outside, it's not interesting. But if we start outside and finish in promenade, it's interesting because its position change. Although more popular and probably more easy version is starting from promenade position and then use running cross chasse to close position, and next step will be outside. So this is more popular and probably more easy version to dance. Let's do this version in our routine. 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1. In slow motion, 4, 5, 6, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1. And now, waltz routine number 5, a running weave from promenade position and then bounce fallaway. Figure bounce fallaway is originally slow foxtrot figure. We can dance it in waltz after a running weave from promenade position. And we do forward to side to fallaway, back in fallaway and back. So, and we finish with 3 steps, which is basically outside change. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we will dance before it a running weave from promenade position with side cross ending. 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now in slow motion. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Edgars told us how he would dance bounce fallaway nowadays, and technique is slightly different than in book. So in book there is 2 bounces, but nowadays dancers tend to move more on first 2 steps, so bounce is only on 3rd step. So let's look at this version. So basically, first movement is swing and then slide bounce up and down. In this case, ladies should change footwork, and Eliza says that she dances first two steps, toe heel, toe heel. So first 2 steps, in order to move more, will be with footwork toe heel, toe heel. Let's look at this. In technique book version, first step footwork is toe heel toe. That means we end with toe in contact with the floor. In new version, we end with heel in contact with the floor and toe is released. So ladies' footwork is toe heel, toe heel, toe, toe heel, heel toe, toe, toe heel. And now I would like to say special thank you to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to do video dance lessons. Thank you. Thanks everybody for watching and see you in the next dance video.